$54. Oh my God, why it's so expensive? Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today we're going to be talking about the KIEHL'S mini mask sampler set. Look how beautiful this looks. Ooh, there is 5 different masks included in this set. I do have the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. This one retails $33, the cheapest one in the set. I do have the Calendula and Aloe Soothing Hydrating Mask as well. And this one retails $45. The full size. The most expensive one in the kit, which is the ginger leaf and also hibiscus firming mask. Instantly skin feels firmer and also looking smoother as well. Now this one is the overnight mask. You can use it as a sleep mask before you go to bed. After you do your skincare, you just put it on and then just leave it overnight, and then in the morning you wash it off. Turmeric and cranberry seed. Is this how you call it? Cranberry? Yes, turmeric and cranberry seed energizing radiance mask invigorates and brightens skin's appearance. Now this one retailed $39, the full size. And last but not least, I do have the cilantro and orange extract pollutant defending mask. Defends against impurities and replenishes skin. This one retails $39 as well. I have tested all of these masks. I managed to use them, one at a time every day. And now let's go ahead and get into my experience, my review about the products. And then we're gonna discuss whether they're worth the price or not. The Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. The consistency of this product is extremely smooth. As you put it on, it literally glides on your skin. It's not harsh at all. It doesn't have any chunks. It kind of exfoliates your skin. It cleanses your pores and then, helps with the impurities as well. So I have tried it, if I'm not mistaken, 2 days ago, and I liked it. The only concern of mine, you guys know I'm a little bit sensitive for smell. The only thing that I didn't like about this product is after you wash it off, it kind of creates a cheap soap smell. That's the only thing that I noticed that I didn't like about this mask. But other than that, it obviously made my skin very smooth and I felt really clean as well. For $33, the full size, I think it is a little bit overpriced. I would not pay that much money for pore cleansing mask. And now moving on to the next one, the Calendula and Aloe Soothing Hydration Mask. Now I have tried this one probably like 3 days ago. As you guys can see, there's a pattern. Like I tried, one at a time every day. And this one, interestingly, the consistency of it, like there is weird chunks. When you look at it, it literally looks like a gel, clear gel, but inside there is it kind of peels, it looks like orange peel. When I use it on my skin, it obviously hydrates my skin. I also felt kind of tingling sensation as well when I used this. I don't know what it is that kind of made my skin tingling. $45, I don't think that's worth that much price. I would not pay $45 for hydrating mask. But then again, if you want to splurge a little bit more money on hydrating mask, this one is a really good one because there is so many plant extracts. There is so many oils are infused in this product. And now let's go ahead and talk about the most expensive one in the list is the ginger leaf and hibiscus firming mask. I have tried this one in my trip in San Francisco. Like I had the most terrible skin ever there. For some reason, my skin did not react well. I did not use it overnight though. I did use it about like 30 minutes or 1 hour. I just put it on my skin after doing my skincare. And it is good to smooth your skin. When you put it on, you cannot even tell whether you have a mask on or not. $54. Oh my God, why it's so expensive? Are you kidding me? I don't know. It is good, but not $54 good in my opinion. The Turmeric and Cranberry Seed Energizing Radiance Mask invigorates, brightens skin's appearance. Now, this is the one that I would actually pay the money for. This literally makes your skin feel fresh, clean, after you wash it off. Like when you put it on, actually it comes with kind of a small chunks inside, and the color is, as you guys can see, obviously kind of yellow. Like it is the color of turmeric and also lots of plants as well. When you put it on your skin, you can actually smell the spices as well. It makes your skin a little bit tingling, but you know, I have seen a great result as I use this product. Like I use it in San Francisco as well when I had the terrible skin moment ever. It did such a good job, you know, clearing my skin and making my skin feel comfortable and soft. It is really nice mask. I would definitely pay $39 for this mask. And now last but not least, let's talk about my another favorite one in the kit that I would pay $39 for this product, the Cilantro and Orange Extract Pollutant Defending Mask. Probably this one was the winner for me in the kit. I loved how it felt on my skin. Especially when I used this product, I noticed that my skin was clearer. I don't know what it was. I felt like, oh my god, I used such a good mask on my skin. It has kind of spicy and mentholy fragrance to it. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the cilantro and then the combination of the orange as well. Highly recommend this one, you know, from the kit. All right, we're gonna leave it there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video if you like it. Leave in the comment below what do you want to see next. And also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Subscribe button is right over there. You are gonna love the channel if you are into skincare or beauty overall. All right guys, have a great day. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys.